Unleashing creativity, brainstorming in the business world. Hello learners. Today we're going to dive into a fascinating aspect of collaboration and teamwork, brainstorming and idea generation. Whether you're in a business setting or any group scenario, effective brainstorming can be a game changer. Let's explore this further. Brainstorming is a group activity where members freely contribute ideas to solve a problem or come up with innovative solutions. The primary objective is to generate as many ideas as possible, without initially evaluating them. The underlying principle is that more ideas can lead to the selection of the best and most effective solution. Brainstorming is a vital tool because 1. Encourages creativity. It allows every member to share their unique perspective. 2. Builds team unity. When everyone contributes, it fosters a sense of belonging. 3. Provides diverse solutions. A single problem can have multiple solutions, and brainstorming brings these to the forefront. 4. Eliminates fear. In a proper brainstorming session, there are no wrong answers. This ensures everyone feels comfortable sharing. 1. Set clear objectives. Before starting, ensure everyone understands the problem. 2. No idea is a bad idea. Emphasize that every idea is worth mentioning. 3. Encourage everyone to speak. Promote inclusivity. 4. Limit the session. Too long, and it can lose effectiveness. Typically, 15 to 45 minutes is good. 5. Record everything. Use a whiteboard, chart, or digital tool to jot down ideas. Once all ideas are on the table, it's time to 1. Review and clarify. Ensure everyone understands each idea. 2. Group similar ideas. Sometimes multiple suggestions might aim at the same solution. 3. Prioritize. Decide which ideas to pursue based on factors like feasibility, impact, and resources required. 4. Assign responsibilities. Determine who will take forward each selected idea. 5. Act and evaluate. Implement the ideas and later assess the results to understand the effectiveness. Brainstorming is a powerful tool in the business world, promoting creativity, teamwork, and innovation. With the right techniques and an open mindset, it can transform the way decisions are made and problems are solved. We hope this video has been enlightening, and next time you're faced with a challenge, remember to brainstorm your way out of it. Happy learning!